So I've just got this Lafocuse wall clock. Let's open it up and take a look. So here it comes, as ever, nicely packaged. And here it is, okay? So I wanted a wall clock that had moving cogs. This is exactly what this does. So it's a little bit of a higher price point because you can get clocks that, you know, just have mock sort of just cogs that don't move. And I actually wanted the sort of effect of moving clocks. Now, I don't think these are actual part of the actual clock mechanism itself. But yeah, it looks really nice. The finish is really, really cool. It's kind of got a sort of steampunk kind of vibe. The sort of copper sort of bronze here, and then it's got the wood effect here. Let's actually verify the size. I think it's meant to be 21 inches. Okay, yes, almost, just under 21 inches, but I'm not going to hold that against them. Right, let's open the thing and take a proper look. There we go, got some extra protection on the hands there, which is nice. Gently take that off. And that is attached to there. Okay, I'll take that off in a minute. Okay, so the way it works is we've got one battery, one AA battery for the clock mechanism, and then there's another one for the cog mechanism, which confirms they are completely separate. They've got nothing to do with the actual timekeeping. So batteries aren't included. You are going to need to grab some AA batteries. As ever, I recommend Duracell. You know they're going to last a long time, especially with something like a wall clock. If you don't look at it regularly, you might not notice that it's stopped working for quite a while. So go and chuck some of these in your cart as well, but let's insert them. So as soon as you put the batteries in, you can hear the cogs you can hear them moving. Look at that, really cool effect actually. Yeah, I really like that. Let's go and mount it on a wall and see how the thing looks. So here it is mounted on the wall. And yeah, it's really cool, I'm really pleased with that. So one thing to note is the cog mechanism does make a little bit of a low whirring noise, which is continuous. So if that's going to bother you, then do bear that in mind. But yeah, overall, I'm really, really happy with that. Totally recommend this. Go and grab one.